Welcome back to What I Love Wednesday, all in an effort to live a healthier life by design. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a primer and also a foundation, CC cream. All right, so one of the primers that I absolutely love is made by Il Maquillage. Il Maquillage. Now, I love this. It does give you a photo finish. It does not clog my pores anyway. It goes on nice, it's not greasy, it's moisturizing without being shiny. I love all of that. And it is clean. Okay, so according to the EWG website, it is verified clean. So I love that. Now, be careful, because the Il Maquillage foundations are not clean. In fact, they have 8 to 9 moderate to moderately high products in their products that you do not want to put on your skin, and they have one high. So I cannot use the Il Maquillage foundation, but I do love the Il Maquillage primer. Okay, so there's that. So then what do I use for foundation? I use the Honest brand, and this is the CC Clean Corrective with vitamin C. It's tinted moisturizer with broad spectrum of SPF 30. Okay, so those are the two things that I love. See you next week.